PP Strings Wound Membrane Solutions. This is a water filter cartridge replacement, a pack of 4, as you're gonna see right here. I got this product sent to me to do a review on, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and open up one of these so we can take a look at it. What it looks like. And this is supposed to last, one of these filters are supposed to last around 3 to 6 months, depending on how much you use it. So let me go ahead and open this. All right, so you get a close-up look of, actual look at the filter itself, get a close-up look at it. And this is the Membrane Solutions PP String Wound. This is a water filter replacement, pack of 4.